Hey guys, Bailey here from Maverick Campers. We're going to show you how to set up your Annex on your all-new Ranger Limited V2. First off, you want to get your pole map and get out your poles from the rear of the camper trailer. So now that you've laid out your poles as per the pole map, you want to start at the front of the camper trailer with your 2 hook poles. So grab your pole, you want to line it up with the sock in the corner, feed your hook through into the eyelet, pull down the cord so it stays nice and firm, and raise it out just a little bit. This one's a little bit easier because you can use the steps to get up in, hook it through, pull that tight. Now what we're going to do is we're going to lay out the canvas roof. This is the starter end, which will start up at the rear of the trailer. Just going to bring in the roof into the zip, run it through, pull down on the zip and zip it across. We're now going to join our poles up. So we'll start with the spigot. Grab this pole here, attaches on, bring our canvas out. We'll grab our spreader. Always make sure that the clips are facing down, and then the next one over on top. We grab our canvas, we loop it over the top and hook it down to the pole. So we'll join on our middle pole up to the top here, put that on top as well, line up the eyelet and just extend the height. And what we're going to do now is we're just going to spread some of the canvas. What that does, it just makes some of the weight share across the rest of the frame. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to build the last half of the frame. Grabbing our spigot, joining it on, spread the pole out, raise this one up. You just want to line that up with the corner in here. Extend that one up. Just attach the last bit of the canvas and we just spread the canvas out. We push up our frame. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to push out the roof poles to extend them out to the full extension. Just going to push out that middle pole, latch it shut. Then what we're going to do is before we raise the rest of the height, we're going to attach all the Velcros. Bloody good if you ask me. Just like that, your all new Ranger Limited V2 is fully set up. Main tent, roof, everything. Now all you got to do, batten down the hatches, few guy ropes. Most important part, grab a cold one.